Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access available error in Windows 11. First method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Network Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Network Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. After uninstall, restart system. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.